Understanding root hormone for plant growth. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that blends botany and language: root hormone. If you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about how plants grow, you're in the right place. We'll explore what root hormones are and why they're important. So let's get started. Root hormones, also known as rooting hormones, are substances that stimulate root growth in plants. These hormones can be found naturally within the plant or can be synthesized and applied to encourage rooting. They play a crucial role in plant propagation, especially when gardeners want to grow new plants from cuttings. When you cut a piece of a plant to grow a new one, it doesn't always have the necessary resources to develop roots. This is where root hormones come in. By applying a rooting hormone to the cut end of a plant, you significantly improve the chances of root development, ensuring the cutting grows into a healthy new plant. There are several types of root hormones, but the most common is indole 3-butyric acid, EBA. EBA is a natural compound found in plants. Other types include naphthalene acetic acid, Na, and 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, 2,4-D, which are synthetic. Each type has its own strengths and applications, and they are available in various forms such as powders, gels, and liquids. Using root hormones is quite simple. 1. Prepare your cutting by making a clean cut. 2. Dip the cut end into the root hormone product. 3. Plant the cutting into the soil or growing medium. It's important to follow the instructions on the root hormone packaging for the best results and to ensure you're using the right amount. The use of root hormones can greatly increase the success rate of plant propagation. It encourages quicker rooting, which means new plants can grow faster and stronger. This is especially beneficial for plants that are difficult to propagate or for gardeners who want to see results more quickly. I hope this video has shed light on the importance and use of root hormones in gardening and plant care. Whether you're looking to expand your garden or just start one, understanding root hormones can be a game changer. Happy planting, and see you in the next video.